Man, hold on. Let me get out the car real quick. Turn the brightness down too, because I ain't gonna lie, this brightness is crazy. Factual. You know what I'm saying? Hold up. Turn the brightness down. Listen, you know what I'm saying? I'm here with my baby, you know what I'm saying? Once again. And guess what? We're redoing this video, bro. Redoing another video, you know what I'm saying? DoorDashing with the baby, you feel me? Part 3, actually. Part 3, because I already did one. But you know what I'm saying? This is part 3, actually, because of the fact that, you know what I'm saying? I feel like last video, I ain't really get that much orders. Like, it won't really... Dang, I know you hear her parking, you know what I'm saying? But I'm saying I ain't really get no orders really, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna redo it today and hopefully it's not a fail. I mean, even though it wasn't a fail and I did get a lot of likes, I ain't gonna lie, I appreciate everybody who did like that video up, you know what I'm saying? Who did watch the video. I got 600 views on it. 600, I think I got like 500 within less than 24 hours. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate everybody, you know what I'm saying? Yes. You know what I'm saying? Yes. Let's run it back on this video right here. Let's think of this video, we're gonna do it right next time. And I don't know if y'all hear it wind, it is kind of windy, but we're gonna do it right this time, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, y'all be ready for that. And I ain't gonna lie, my camera's only on 3%. Bro, I keep forgetting to turn my camera up because I don't be really, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, you know what I'm saying? But listen, I'm gonna try to get what I can. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna record like almost every order. If I don't forget, I'm gonna try not to forget. And don't think I forgot about y'all, you know what I'm saying? But nah, I'm gonna try to record every single order. The wind is crazy. I don't know if y'all hear it. I'm gonna try to record every single order, you know what I'm saying? And I'm saying, yeah, I'm gonna talk between them, you know what I'm saying? Let you know. You know what I'm saying? But the people that don't DoorDash, people that haven't DoorDash yet, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna let y'all know. I'm gonna stop yapping because I stay yapping in the beginning of my videos. I want y'all to hit that subscribe button, you know what I'm saying? Come with me, you know what I'm saying? My journey, you know what I'm saying? Next 30 days. You feel me? I'm on day 11 right now. Today's day 11. You know what I'm saying? So y'all lock in with me, you know what I'm saying? And we gonna be lit, you know what I'm saying? We gonna have the good content. Give me ideas what y'all want to see me do, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, exactly. And think about it, you know what I'm saying? I could do some ideas, but some ideas require other people, you know what I'm saying? And like, I want to make, you know what I'm saying? I don't know. But yeah, bro, just subscribe, bro. Y'all tune into this video, facts. Look, so in my recent video, y'all told me I say, you know what I'm saying, too much, you know what I'm saying, too much. I was just watching this while I'm editing, and I ain't gonna lie. I am saying this so much, bro. It is crazy, bro, how much I'm saying. You know what I'm saying? Like, hey, don't mind, because I ain't gonna lie, the whole video you're gonna be having to deal with that. So, I'm saying, yeah, just not to hit that button. You feel me? Facts. Boom. Listen, so right now, we're currently waiting for the order right now. I ain't got no order right now. I ain't gonna lie, I've been sitting here waiting for a good while, bro. And like I said, I hope it ain't gonna be like the first one, because, bro, I'm gonna be mad if it's like the first one, you feel me? Like, bro, I just wanna make it perfect for y'all so y'all can understand this thing, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? So y'all can, you know what I'm saying, really see how it is DoorDashing. You know what I'm saying? Y'all with me right now. Y'all in my passenger seat right now, you know what I'm saying? We DoorDashing, you feel me? Like, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, y'all gonna have to stick with me through this, you feel me? While we sit here and wait. Maybe y'all not gonna have to wait the long, you know what I'm saying, the time I'm waiting, but you know what I'm saying, bro, just, man, hey, when I get this order, bro, so I currently got an order right here, right? And I ain't gonna lie, this is what I'm talking about, a good order, $5 for 1.2 miles, literally across the street, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I'm saying, this is the order y'all need to pick up, bro. Stop skipping these orders, bro. Facts. And get them done. Start out real quick. Okay. Bro, as y'all can tell, some of these videos, I be hyping in some of these videos, and some of these videos, I just be chill, like, yeah, you know what I'm saying, this and that. I feel like it's, you know what I'm saying, certain videos where you gotta be, you know what I'm saying, you gotta really, you know what I'm saying, bring that energy, you feel me? And I ain't gonna lie, I'm feeling good right now, you feel me? I'm feeling good to restart this video, you know what I'm saying, to redo this thing, you feel me? I'm feeling good, you feel me? So, like, I'm gonna be hyped, bro, you feel me? Because I ain't trying to mess it up like last time, bro. Like, I ain't getting no orders last time, bro. Like, even though it didn't fail, but it was still, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Fact. So I just got an order right here. I ain't gonna lie. The Wawa is literally right there. If y'all know, y'all know. And the place I got delivered to is literally right here. You feel me? Like, literally across the street. Like, to be honest with you, they could have walked if they wanted to. Like, if we being realistic, they could have walked if they wanted to. But hey, I don't. Let's see. If y'all want to spend y'all money, you know what I'm saying? It don't matter to me. Facts. Okay, so listen, I got that order done, and it was a football center I had delivered to. I'm gonna show you how much I got. I'm gonna show you how much I made so far. All right. So basically, this is how much I made so far. So far, I think I did 3 orders already, and I made $10. I was saying all for these 3 orders. You feel me? So like, I mean, I ain't gonna lie, it's not bad. I've been having $5 orders. I think I only did 2 orders. I don't know, but I've been having $5 orders back to back. Yeah, I think I only did 2, but yeah, it was $5 orders back to back. So I'm saying that's good. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna see where we end off at the end of the day. So far, it's going good. You feel me? So far, it's good. You know what I'm saying? 2 orders. You know what I'm saying? $10. I'm saying, I mean, it's not good, but it's good. You feel me? It's okay. But no, we're gonna see where they bring us, know what I'm saying? We gonna get, know what I'm saying, these orders through factual, know what I'm saying? Shit, how true DoorDash or DoorDash, you feel me? Yeah, if somebody said that they noticed me when I was DoorDash too, they said they commented on my video, said they noticed me, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, if y'all ever notice me, y'all click on my videos just to see like, who is this person? Make sure y'all comment below and let me know if y'all see me in person. I always want to know who see me in person and got my YouTube from, I'm saying, in person, you feel me? So yeah, I ain't gonna lie, like I said, I'm gonna do whatever I gotta do today, you know what I'm saying? Get these other orders in, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna tell y'all in, yeah. So now we sit here and wait again for another order. Facts. New order. No, we got $6 for 2 miles. Yes, 6 plus actually. Actually, I got the order right now, you feel me? And I keep talking with my mic off, bro. But listen, you know what I'm saying? I basically made $16 off of this because I'm getting $6 off this order right now. $6 off this order. You feel me? So I ain't gonna lie, that's good. You feel me? Like, stop playing. I got $16. I ain't gonna lie, I'm getting good orders right now. You know what I'm saying, but it's just not at a steady pace. You feel me? Like, I feel like more in the afternoon. It's only 1 o'clock right now. I feel like more in the afternoon it would pick up, but right now it's just like kind of slow. So we gonna see what it is, and I'm just gonna keep doing what I'm doing. I'm gonna try to dash to like 3 o'clock at least. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try to at least dash till I get like $50. You know what I'm saying? I feel like once I touch $50, I feel like that's a good amount. Then what last time was? Last time I don't think I even got that much. I think I got like, I'm not sure, like $30, but you know what I'm saying? I don't know. I'm gonna type y'all in whenever, you know what I'm saying, we do what we gotta do. Finished again. We finished again. Like I said though, you know what I'm saying, look, we gotta wait again, you feel me? And I ain't gonna lie, for people that want to DoorDash, you understand, I'm saying, waiting is a part of the thing. And also, it's a cool thing that DoorDash do. They tell you like about the amount of minutes that it'll take for you to get another order right there. Right now, for me, it's like 2 to 8 minutes, you feel me? So I'm gonna wait here these 2 to 8 minutes, see if I get another order. And I'm saying, if it's a good order, I'm accepting. If it's not, I'm not. You feel me? I want to show y'all a bad order too. So hopefully I get a bad order so I can show y'all what a bad order is for real, for real. But yeah, another $6. You know what I'm saying, one, you feel me, like 2 miles away only, you feel me? That's perfect. Now let's go get it, you feel me? And the crazy thing, me recording on didn't accept it. It was literally 4 seconds left, and I had to accept it real quick, you feel me? Because I was recording, bro. Got the order. Time to get to where I gotta go, you feel me? And I have not been able to do no pulls for y'all, so I'm gonna do a little small tap, you feel me? Speed limit over here 25, I'm gonna do a little small tap for y'all real quick, you feel me? A little small tap for y'all. Ooh, that don't sound good, man. Stop playing like it don't sound good. So I delivered that order. Look, the person that just said they're gonna follow me on YouTube, you know what I'm saying? Listen, if you watching this video, comment down below. I appreciate that, my guy. Facts, you know what I'm saying? Listen, I delivered the order, and now you know what it is. We gotta wait for another one. Fact, oh, I got another one right now. 2 miles away, Baskin Robbins. Yeah, I'm about to go do that right now. Facts. I'm gonna go do this order real quick. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, when I do this order, yeah, I'm gonna tap y'all. I'm gonna let y'all know what the update is with the order, what kind of order it is. You feel me? Things of that nature. You feel me? Fact. But if y'all still watching right now, y'all hit that subscribe button, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know if y'all like this video or not. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I just want the feedback. You know what I'm saying? Know if I'm doing good with this video. You feel me? Especially, you know what I'm saying, since last time I did this video. You know what I'm saying? It didn't fail, but bro, I barely got orders, bro. Like, the orders was not it, and I didn't really make no money. I want y'all to see that y'all can actually make money off of this. You feel me? Especially like if y'all, you know what I'm saying, they're currently not working. Oh, my bad, I ain't see you back there. If y'all currently not working, you know what I'm saying, I want to let y'all know that y'all can actually make money off of this. So yeah, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna show y'all today. Thanks. Got the order, and you know what I'm about to say now? Let's get it. So we had completed that order. Now we got $28. You see $28 right there. Listen, I ain't gonna lie, we gonna have to wait again. But I ain't gonna lie, they had like two bad orders. I ain't even show you. I'm tripping. I just declined it. I ain't gonna lie. You know what I'm saying? Next bad order I get, I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all what it is. You feel me? If I'm not ordering no, you know what I'm saying, snow cone, cause I might give me some snow cones too. You feel me? Cotton candy snow cone. You feel me? From Ritas. You feel me? The best. You know what I'm saying? The bestest, man. Stop playing. I'm gonna type y'all in whenever, I'm saying, if you know, you know. If you know, you know. Cotton candy thing, man. I know y'all, buddy. I forgot to record when I had this order, but and my bad if it's getting repetitive too, bro. But I got to order to McDonald's, you feel me, for $5. I ain't gonna lie, 5 miles and $5.70-something. That's not bad. Depending on where I feel like that's not bad depending on where you're going. I usually don't go for, if it's more miles than the price, I usually don't go for it. But if it's like a high price, like $10+ or $7 for like 10 miles, I'll do it. But if it's 5 and below and they got like a high mile, nah, I'm good on that. You know what I'm saying? That made sense. That made sense to you and you understand. But if you don't understand, then I don't know what to tell you. But yeah, the real, no, you know what I'm saying? But okay, repetitive again. But I had picked the order up, you feel me? And I also got an order for myself, you feel me? I bought me a McChicken, I ain't gonna lie, cause I'm saying, every time I come to McDonald's to get an order, I always order something, either the chicken Big Mac or the McChicken, and I ain't gonna lie. Netbacks. So I just got another order right here at this place called Highway Pizza. I ain't gonna lie, I'm not gonna keep updating y'all after every single order, you feel me? And showing y'all every single order because I feel like it's just gonna be repetitive. And I don't wanna do that to y'all. But I ain't gonna lie, I am gonna show y'all the cars at Highway Pizza because it's basically like a car themed restaurant pizza place. And I ain't gonna lie, they got some crazy cars out here. I'm saying nice cars. They V6s though, but I'm saying, you know, still. Like, look at that. Like, that's tough. What car or what restaurant you know got their own cars? Like, you know what I'm saying? And they actually drive these around like the delivered pizza. You know what I'm saying? What place do you know that do this? Let's be realistic. I ain't gonna lie. That's on tough. But I'm about to deliver this order right here. It is a $6.50 order. And it's on like 3 miles. So you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. My battery on 2%. Right now I'm currently at like $32. You know what I'm saying? So basically I'm just gonna dash and then I'm gonna talk to y'all every now and then, put the camera up, and I'm gonna show y'all what I made at the end of this, you know what I'm saying, when I finish dashing. Right now it's 3 o'clock right now. I started at like 1 something. Y'all know I told y'all the time. And once I finish dashing, I'm gonna show y'all the time and show you how much I made within that time. Feel me? And they got something called active dash time and like just dash overall time. Dash overall time is where you sitting there waiting for order and things of that nature and still dash like from start to sitting there and I'm saying, you know, to the end. Active dash time is from when you started, got an order. Like every order you get, that's the active dash time. So you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna tune y'all in. Alright, man, yeah. I ain't gonna lie. I just got a $27 order, right? For 2 orders. Man, what? You know how happy I am, bro. Easy red, facts. And I ain't gonna lie, I just looked it up, right? It's only 7 minutes away, and both of the orders in the same neighborhood too. So looks like, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, look like we good. Facts. Listen, it look like we got a crazy good order. I ain't gonna lie, crazy good order. That's why I say it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, they have some good orders. They have some bad orders sometimes. I ain't really had that much bad orders. The bad orders I did have, I actually skipped it, and it wasn't even that bad. You wouldn't even consider it bad probably, but it was just how I feel. You feel me? But yeah, though, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. All right, so look, today all together I made $68.75. All right, so listen, I ain't gonna lie. With that being said, since I made a good amount, that's gonna be the end of the video. You hear me? I made basically $70. You feel me? And my active time. What's my active time? My active dash time was, I'm not sure, they don't show me right now, but just know I've been dashing since 1 o'clock, you feel me? And it's 3:57 right now, you know? I made $68, basically $70 within those hours, you know what I'm saying? So DoorDash will work for you guys, you feel me? Don't be thinking DoorDash not gonna work for y'all, cause trust me, DoorDash will work, you feel me? If y'all enjoyed this video, I want y'all to subscribe, you know what I'm saying? This is part 3 actually, like I said, and I just wanted to make it way better than what it was before, because my last video when I did this was like, I didn't even make no money. I was just sitting there. I literally did 3 orders. My homeboy got it. He hit me up like, he watched the video. I only did 3 orders and said I was tired. But now I wanted to actually like show y'all, you know what I'm saying, what y'all can make. So yeah, I ain't gonna lie. With that being said, I hope this, you know what I'm saying, got into y'all head a little bit, you know what I'm saying, and make y'all think y'all can do it. Make y'all know y'all can do it, you feel me? Man, hit that like button, share this video, tune in with me, subscribe, you know what I'm saying, for this next couple days, you know what I'm saying, on this 30-day streak. In fact, this day 10, 11, I'm not sure, but it's one of them days, you feel me? Yeah, that button, you know what I'm saying, yeah.